going to read you a comic that I made by myself. Seriously. Literally. Homeschooled. The Underwear Monster. We're trying to help some kids out, and we're going to send money to Dave with stories. Well, I just wrote this comic. You see, I got my trusty pen. And other markers over here.
Got some other markers.
Yes, I wrote the comic. It's called The Underwear Monster. I know it's a funny word, but I just had to make a funny comic for once in my life. The Underwear Monster by Xavier Draven. Hey, comic, look, I already said. Later, I'm going to teach you how to draw the Underwear Monster. Meet our hero, Xavier. I'm Xavier. School. I spelled school wrong.
It's okay. Part of school is learning how to spell school.
Okay. Well, I know how to spell school, all right? The Underwear Monster has stolen underwear from 4 different houses. Whoa, he must really like underwear. Hey, my undies. Underwear Monster. Ah, here he is sneaking. Pow-whack-gong-gay. What's this actually? You should post to say pow, but it says mop. I am the Underwear Monster. I drew this guy a little different because I forgot. Back at the there, I said UM for abbreviation for Underwear Monster.
Nice.
Looked at his underwear. I want to sew my underwear. And there's his butt right there, little butt. So the Underwear Monster stole threads to sew. Back in the cave, the Underwear Monster, again, the Underwear Monster, tried to sew. But he was terrible at it because monsters are bad at sewing. Oh my God! He's terrible at it. Meanwhile, Xavier got an idea. There's this light bulb. Xavier said to the monster, "Here you go, buddy," with a big giant pair of undies, because he was trying to steal underwear all along. The Underwear Monster said to X, "I will never steal underwear again." But he actually snicked a little underwear. The city was finally safe. The end. Here's the city being safe. Okay, and I'm back with my big giant notebook. I'm going to teach you how to draw the Underwear Monster. Let's start with his head. We just want to draw like almost a full U shape. It's almost an upside down U. Now, connect this side with a straight little curved diagonal line. Just like maybe a little tiny space. Like, if you make a line, that doesn't matter because we're going to connect it.
Okay.
I'm just connecting right now to make it even. And now we're going to make a longer line that goes to here. So now we're going to make a big jaw, like here. Right there. Make a little smaller jaw right here. And we'll keep on going.
Lots of teeth, huh?
He wants to eat me. Since this has a big line, you want to make a big line almost all the way across your paper. Don't connect. Go at least to here. Now we're going to make a little curved line. Goes up. And a little curved line that goes down for a little tiny tail. Legs. We want to do a bigger leg in front to make it like 3D. Smaller leg in the back to make it again 3D, because if this is bigger, it's coming towards us, and this is smaller, we know it's on the other side. Love that. big giants. He's looking weird. If you want to copy this, it's okay because I just draw this guy a little differenter because I think I had a bigger imagination on this one to put spikes on his belly and his butt. Kids at home, you can make it any color you want because this is just an imaginary thing. I made it black. I made it black because I thought it would look a little better because I think he lives in a dark cave, so he has to be like a lot of dark to blend in with his cave. Maybe even purple or blue or yellow or anything like that. I had fun drawing with you and reading with you, and if you want to copy me, this is yellow, this is a little black, so he can blend in with this thing again. Gray for spikes. This is a really big spike, so I added, black to it so it can make a little more stand out. And I put his teeth white because he hasn't been eating a lot. I think it's starving. My dog's right there.
Oh, hi dog. Chase, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? He's looking for underwear monsters, I think.
We're raising money for Save with Stories. We're gonna put the information down below where you can send a little text and you can donate. And if you do, you can help some kids out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.